Sometimes we attempt to set a frame with a woman and she doesn't believe us or rationally buys into our frame, but she's a good sport and she plays along. Now the cool thing is, the longer a woman plays along, the more likely her mammalian brain and her reptilian brain are to get sucked into our frame. And the reason is that the reptilian brain and the emotional or mammalian brain can't distinguish between make-believe and reality. Now the other interesting thing is the more sucked in her emotional and reptilian brain are to our frame, the more likely her rational mind, her rational brain, is going to follow suit. So let's look at an example. Imagine that you're at a bar, you're talking to a woman, and maybe after a couple minutes of talking to her, you kind of squint your eyes a little bit, and you say something like, I'm really sick and tired of you looking at me like I'm a sex object. Like I'm more than a sausage with feet. Now at first, she might not rationally buy into what you're saying, but it's funny, so she's going to play along with the frame. And what ends up happening is her emotional and reptilian brains end up getting sucked into the frame, and after a few minutes, her rational brain ends up following suit. Now you have her on all three levels inside your frame. As the course progresses, I'm going to give you many examples and ways to suck women into your frame by getting them to play along, even if they don't buy into your frame on a rational level at first.